Hello everyone! Today I have a very interesting device with me, the Xiaomi 15T Pro. In this video, just like always, I will share my honest and straightforward experience with you. Compared to the previous generation, this phone clearly raises the bar even higher. So without wasting any more time, if you're ready to dive into all the technical details, let's get started together. Unboxing. The global launch date of the Xiaomi 15T Pro is September 24th, 2025. Inside the box, you get a 90W USB-C to USB-A charging data cable and a transparent silicone case. The cable supports fast power delivery, and the silicone case is soft, flexible, simple, and protects the phone well for daily use. Design. Now let's talk about the build and design. This mocha gold brown color looks extremely premium and honestly fits the phone very well. The blend of coffee tone shades gives it an elegant high-end appearance. You might think I'm exaggerating, but the in-hand feel is so good. It's different, stylish, and very eye-catching. In addition to this color, there are black and gray options available, but personally, I would choose this brown version. At first sight, it became my favorite. On the rear camera island, we have three lenses: main camera, ultra-wide, and telephoto, alongside the LED flash. The telephoto now supports 5x optical zoom, which performs really well for distant shots. The top side is clean and minimal. On the right side, there are the volume buttons and power button. The left side is clean. At the bottom, you'll find the speaker, Type-C port, microphone, and SIM tray. The screen is surrounded by thin metal frames, and there is a punch-hole style selfie camera at the top. The weight distribution feels balanced in the hand, and the modern look is very strong. By the way, this phone also comes with IP68 certification, which means it is resistant to dust and water. Display. There are also some upgrades on the display side. This phone features a large 6.83 AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, which feels incredibly smooth. You can clearly feel the fluidity in daily usage. Especially while gaming and scrolling social media, it's extremely silky. The resolution reaches 20x72 447 ppi, and the peak brightness goes up to 3200 nits, which means the screen stays visible even under direct sunlight. It offers full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, which is great for people who work with color-accurate content. HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision also add serious value to the display quality. For protection, we have Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, so overall, this is a sharp, bright, and very fast display panel. Performance. On the performance side, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. It is currently known as one of the top 3 most powerful chipsets on the market, and it is extremely capable. It's built on a 3nm process, reaches up to 3.73 GHz clock speed, and uses the Immortalis G925MC12 GPU. The model I have here includes 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 4.1 storage. You can also get 256GB and up to 1TB storage options. Thanks to UFS 4.1, app installation and file transfer speeds are extremely fast with no noticeable delay. For gaming performance, you can play PUBG and similar games smoothly at 120 FPS with no stutters or lag. And even in Genshin Impact, it maintains a stable 60 FPS in maximum graphical settings. As you can see, the performance is excellent. Camera. Coming to the camera system, like I mentioned earlier, we have a triple Leica camera setup here. Xiaomi's partnership with Leica really adds value to this phone. Main camera, 50MP f1.62, 23mm OIS ultra-wide, 12mm f2.2 mm telephoto, 50mm peer, 5x optical f3.0 OIS front camera, 32mm piece, 2.2 on paper. This is a solid setup. Color consistency is very good thanks to Leica processing. Leica Vibrant mode gives richer, more contrasty images, while Leica Authentic provides a more natural tone. In low light, you can clearly feel the advantage of the main camera thanks to its OIS and aperture size. The ultra-wide lens performs acceptable in night shots, but it's not as sharp as the main sensor. Honestly, I recommend using the main camera at night if you want the best results. In Pro mode, you can manually adjust many photography settings yourself. Aside from basic modes like photo, portrait, and document scan, we also have supermoon, long exposure, panorama, slow motion, fast motion, ultra HD, and more. You can switch between Leica modes easily in the interface, use whichever style you prefer. On the rear cameras, all lenses can record 4K at 60 FPS. 8K 30 and 4K 120 is only available on the main camera. If you want to switch between lenses smoothly, shooting at 4K 60 is the best option. The front camera supports 4K 30. If you want 60 FPS, you need to switch down to 1080p mode. Stabilization results were good in real daily walking tests. The footage stays stable, and vibrations are well controlled. Ultra-wide in 4K 30 FPS. Wide view but can lose sharpness in low light switching from 1x to 5x. 5x detail is satisfying. 30 FPS may feel slightly choppy. Switching to 4K 60 FPS, the improved smoothness noticeably front camera at 4K 30 FPS. Very good clarity and good lighting and skin tones. Stay consistent even in different light temperatures. Night shots. Ultra-wide is limited in detail. Main camera produces much cleaner results. It supports 5G and comes with high bandwidth Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth also supports the latest modern standards. I did not face any problems in backward compatibility or long-range connections. New accessories pair with low latency and stable performance. Battery and charging. When we move to the battery and charging section, Xiaomi has also made an upgrade here. They increased the battery capacity to 5500 mAh. Remember, the previous 14T Pro had 5000 mAh. In daily usage, this battery performs very well. It supports 90W wired hypercharge and 50W wireless charging. On the wired side, you get very impressive charging results in short periods of time. The wireless charging speed is also extremely competitive for its segment. Charger and cable contents may vary depending on region and version, so please make sure to check and ask the seller before purchasing. Audio. For sound quality, we have dual stereo speakers here. With Dolby Atmos and high-res support, I can say the audio quality is genuinely very impressive. The maximum volume is not record-breaking, but clarity and richness are definitely satisfying. While gaming or watching movies, this sound experience feels really enjoyable. In short, it may not be the loudest phone ever, but it produces clean, balanced, high-quality sound. Let's also talk about the AI features and additional tools. Inside the gallery, you can upscale image resolution, HD, adjust framing like 9:16:16:9, and remove objects people, all using AI. These tools work very well, especially on photos taken in good lighting. In complex scenes, sometimes you may see tiny errors, but you have a retry option which attempts to improve the result again. You can circle something on the screen and instantly search it on Google, even if you hum a song and it can find the track for you. Instant translation and similar Google tools are integrated into the interface, which saves a lot of time in daily life. For example, when you mark a logo on the screen, it instantly provides detailed information. Final thoughts. Yes, friends, these will be my final recommendations. With its strengths and weaknesses, the Xiaomi 15T Pro has become a very attractive and competitive option compared to the previous generations of this series. To summarize, in terms of display, battery, camera, performance, audio, and material quality, this phone stands in front of us as a very strong package overall. If you want to know one weak point, I would say the ultra-wide camera could deliver sharper results in night photography. The high refresh rate plus gaming combo can increase power consumption, but you can tune this inside settings. Some extra apps may appear in the software on first setup, but of course you can easily remove the ones you don't want. For pricing, you can check the options I showed on screen. You can find these listings on Amazon and other platforms. You can pause the video and read the price list I wrote there. And yes, guys, we've reached the end of this video. You can share your thoughts in the comments. I read all of them. If you enjoyed this video, you can drop a like. If you want to stay updated on our new content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.